Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock your Viber app on your iPhone using Face ID. This is a great way to protect your private conversations and keep your app secure from prying eyes. So let's get started. At first, tap onto the search button right here. Now tap onto the shortcuts and open it. Next, tap onto the automation button. Now tap onto new automation. Scroll down and find the app section and tap on it. Now choose the app right here and search the Viber app. Click onto done. Now select the option of run immediately. Tap onto next. Now tap onto new blank automation. Select add action. Scroll down and find the option lock screen. Now select it and tap onto done. Now the Viber has been locked. You can see the Viber will automatically go onto the lock screen if you try to open it. And that's it. This is how you lock your Viber app on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.